You join us live on the ranch during a thunderstorm.
The dogs are
The
fighting over the catnip balls.
Yes. Somehow one of the cats dropped a catnip ball, and then it's been on ever since. Dobby wants both catnip balls.
Something over here spinning around. I think the cat's got the third one. I think he's got the third one over here in the corner.
Yep. Billy's definitely got
Going to town. Dobby's like, okay, I got this bone now. I'm good.
Maxie.
Never mind, tricked ya. He keeps taking it in the camera to prevent anybody else from getting it. It's like, this is mine. I need to protect it. So the cats both have one and Dobby has one.
Mm-hmm.
Pearl's like, where's mine? Poor little Pearl.
Pearl.
She stole the cats. Oh no. Are we on ice? Are you just taking a video?
Just a video right now. We're not live. It was hailing earlier today. Amy got it on video. I was like, oh, hell no.
Hey, bring those back in here. Thank you.
Those toys are for the cats, believe it or not. It's funny because Maxine was really interested in it.
This is a fun new game that we've created. Fight over the catnip balls. Here comes Pearl. She's gonna get one. Oh, nailed it.
She doesn't just swallow it.
The dogs have decided it's their thing as well.
Well, I
It
think
kind of started with Dobby, and then Nova's like, oh yeah, I want to play too. What are you gonna say?
the dogs just fight each other because they want to take each other's toys away.
Jerk faces. We had a little bit of thunder roll through a while ago. We might get a little bit more rain. It rained for like a minute or two. It was probably more like for 5 minutes. And hail. We had hail too. Very small hail. Smaller than an eraser. Probably like a quarter of the size of an eraser. I don't know how big that is. What, an eighth of an inch or something? Oh my goodness. You are so funny, little tiny. They were doing this thing earlier where they were like nipping at each other for the catnip balls. Hey, don't chew on it.
I bet she's gonna crack it.
Yeah, don't chew on it, Pearl.
If anybody can crack it, it's Pearl.
That big old mega snoot. Yeah. Yeah, it was like the one time you didn't even hear it until it started raining and all of a sudden we got wind.
Nice.
Oh. Trying to reconnect. Yay. Sorry, the connection's kind of spotty out here in the pump house. It goes in and out. What are we, like 20 yards from the camper?
Mm-hmm.
Where the Starlink is. Billy's still back there in the corner. Somebody put Billy in the corner. Was it you, Pearl?
Well, you ready to go watch Bush People? Or you wanna?
I was having such a fun time watching the doggos, though.
The looks like it has sedative effects.
Sedative effects.
Dabby's making some progress on that ball, though. How much did you spend on those things?
Oh, I don't remember. It's been ages since I got them. I got
4
them
years
for
ago?
Little Bucks and Maxine, so we got them like 2 years ago.
At least.
Max says, I want to get me some of that. My turn.
You guys done hogging all the fun stuff?
Ooh, Zang. She went right for the one that the doggo has.
Mm-hmm.
Littlest puppers.
Now who's the boss? Maxine's like, you can be the alpha dog. I'm the alpha cat.
Alpha Kikai. Oh my gosh. Oh, here comes Pearl. She's gonna steal it.
Well, while they're busy.
This reminds me of me and Francis fighting as kids.
I don't know.
Me and Francis fighting as
Pearl.
kids. Don't chew on it. Thank you. Just lick it.
She's like, I don't understand. What I do is I bite
One of
things.
my other siblings, Thomas or Wesley, coming by and
Oh my god.
grabbing our snack because we're not paying attention. I think Thomas would probably do that more than Wesley would.
Pearl's gonna crack that
And we
now.
were so, so into the fighting that we wouldn't have even noticed. Kids. This is the nip nips. Oh, Pearl, you gotta keep it in here. Thank you.
Maxine was like about to take a swing.
Good girl. Just lick on it, Pearl. Don't chew on the plastic, honey. You don't want to chew the plastic.
She's like, you mean chew the plastic? Because that's what I want to chew.
She's like, I chew on Tiny's face. Look at him. Look at that man. Poor guy. Are you all right? Did she get you? You being too rough, Pearl. He's like, I'm gonna come down here and steal it from you. We've created monsters. Oh, golly. Did you hear the thunder? It's just a little one.
There she goes.
Hey, quit chewing on the plastic. Uh-oh.
She's like, I'm not a part of this.
What's Maxine doing over there?
Playing with the glass lid, apparently, that fell off of it.
Oh.
It might have some residual smells, but maybe she's like trying to put it away.
She's like, ooh, shiny.
Gotta put the lid back on that thing.
Rain has come back. I could feel it inside here earlier. Sitting in the chair. Must have been coming in from up there.
See.
So you know there was a fire, like, west of us?
Where that lightning struck, probably.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's over 1,000 acres, so we're still working to put it out.
Dang.
That may actually be this. We did have a sandhill fire that was closer, so that may have been the one that you saw, and that was a very small one, and it's contained already. That may have been what we were smelling when I was smelling like the burning smell,
See.
even though I wasn't seeing any smoke, but it was really cloudy, so maybe that's why. Plus, it was out towards like the other side, like the west side of Bloody Run Peak, so not like super visible.
Pearl's like,
It's not a bone. Oh my goodness!
totally gonna eat this.
Don't eat it. It's not a bone. Just lick it.
But I'm the winner.
Just lick it. Keep that claws over there. Just like my daddy. And he's like, oh, I'm gonna chew on your shoe down.
I'll hold on to your bone. I'm gonna take your bone.
So when's the last time we had rain?
Earlier today.
No, I mean besides today. It's been a few weeks, right?
Probably all month. I didn't think it was gonna rain all month.
Yeah, it's really, really dry here. There's like an advanced fire warning now.
Are all your plants getting water here?
Oh yeah.
Or are there some that are under the awning?
Mm-hmm. I'll take a look. I'll probably have to water them, but I think they're getting some water.
You know, the tree and the bush are getting it.
Oh yeah. Oh, Tiny, are you gonna throw up?
It might make them vomit.
Oh no, guy.
Either it'll make them just slightly sick or it'll be sedative, but it's good for the digestive issues. The plastic's probably not that
Billy's
great.
having a good time over there chewing on his. Oh, poor little Tiny. You ate the plastic, dude. No, I don't want you on here. I don't want you up here if you're gonna bark on me, bro. No barfing zone, bro. I love you, but I don't want you puking on me. Dealt that enough with G. Reedy when he was little. You don't know that. Let's see the gray sky up there. Oh no. No, little tiny. Is he barking on you? He's real close to you.
Trick face.
Just making the barking noise.
You're not coming over here to barf on my shoe. Hello.
Girl, get down. You know what I'm really glad to know about? I'm not the only weirdo on the internet that like makes up songs about their animals.
Who makes up songs about their animals?
Like everybody. I
Like
mean,
what?
It's pretty common, I guess.
Give one example.
Big Booty Roscoe.
It was totally about a cat.
That's about a dog.
Aww. Billy was a little high strung. When he jumped up there, he was a little scared for a second.
He's like, whoa, I'm too high, I'm too high. Plaid shorts. I haven't seen you wear those in a while. You wear them at work?
Mm-mm.
No, you're not allowed to wear shorts at work, are you?
Mm-mm.
And there's the key cry fight. Round one, fight.
Sneak attack. She's playing possum.
Ooh, somebody not happy over there. Somebody was being too rough. Oh, poor guy, you're still puking. Does that mean maybe puke over here in the corner? Oh, God.
Billy is the winner.
What did he knock Maxine off?
Yeah.
What the hell? Oh, damn.
Now they're fighting outside the ring. And Billy is the king of the mountain.
I think we should have another.
Let's do
I
it.
put a new pot in here. Did you try it?
Mm-mm.
It's mango tea. You want to try it?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Try it. And I got the pellet ice from the Mavericks.
What's a pellet ice?
Pellet ice. Those little ice chips that you get like at the hospital. Oh, Erica's watching.
Eh? Peach tea, you said?
Yeah. No, mango tea.
Mango tea.
Mango tea.
I think I'd rather have the, what's that stuff that G-Rady's drinking?
Oh, the Arizona iced tea? You like that better? I don't think they have a mango tea. We're just having a good time hanging out here, just chilling,
Listen to the thunderstorm.
listening to the raindrops on the top of the house, and watching the animals go fucking nuts after
Some
the
catnip
catnip. They were all like taking turns. The
fighting over.
catnip, both the dogs and the cats. It was crazy. Apparently, Dobby was like, yeah, I want to play with that. That tastes good. So then Pearl was like, well, I'm not going to be the only one who's not playing with them. She's over here chewing on him like she's trying to bust him with her freaking medicine. Biggest mouth ever. From a girl.
She'll crack the nut.
Yeah. Like that plastic for sure. Oh my gosh. That's mangled. I can see it from here. It's a whole lot of a man. It's got so many. Oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm.
It was not looking like that before.
It's looking brand new before.
Well, Bubs did not get a whole lot of use out of them.
I'm glad everybody had fun.
We're gonna come out here one morning and they're all gonna be destroyed because the cats are gonna knock them onto the floor, and then everybody's gonna be playing with them.
Nah. Never.
We did a Google search and apparently it won't be, there won't be any negative effects for the dogs. Hey, get down!
Maybe like a sedative.
Her hind legs trying to get up on top of the condo there next to the trash can.
The pomegranate bush. I had to rig this little contraption to try and keep whatever was eating it to stop from eating it. Because there was no green leaves on there after they ate it all to nothing. Can't believe it came back. Same thing, this thing didn't have any green leaves on it either. I had to fix a little break, but looks like we're still growing. We'll see how that rolls. Pear tree, pomegranate. Roof is almost done.